By now, I'm sure you've seen tons of videos where people are claiming that you can make $1,000 per day without actually creating content on YouTube. And in the video, they recommended using a software called Pictory. In this video, I'm going to show you and tell you if you can monetize this type of content and the best way to do it. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if you can actually monetize Pictory videos. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for your free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, as you can see on the screen here, you've probably seen a couple videos about Pictory, or at least you've seen YouTube videos that are telling you that you can make thousands of dollars per month without actually showing your face and creating the video. For example, if we jump over to YouTube here, we can say how to make money on YouTube without creating videos. You can see there are hundreds of thousands of views to be had with these videos, and I'm sure most of these videos eventually lead you to Pictory or InVideo, one of these AI softwares. But as we know, YouTube is not a huge fan of AI software. So where's the rub? Can you actually make money? Are these people just creating content just to make money off of you? In this video, I'm going to show you some examples, and I'm going to answer this question definitively yes or no, and the absolute best way to do it. So first of all, what is Pictory? As you can see here, Pictory is this AI software where you can input text to speech, and it'll actually do, it'll auto-generate the videos for you. It also include voiceovers. You can see there's pricing here where you pay monthly, and this is substantially cheaper than maybe hiring somebody over on Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. You can see here, you can get started with 3 videos for free and then eventually move on to the different levels. So let's go ahead and take a look at an example of a YouTube channel that is already doing this. This channel right here, it's called BizMove. Right now they have 139,000 subscribers. This video right here, how to start a quail farm business. If we skip this ad, of course, and we listen to the video, we're going to see that this is actually done with Pictory. Let's see here, this is not the right video, so we're just going to hit back here real quick. But if we skip here and we listen to this, we're going to hear and we're going to see that this is AI. So listen to this. If we hear, and I don't want this to play too much, this clearly is an AI software. It is text to speech, and this person isn't showing their face. This is clearly a Pictory AI video. And what you saw at the beginning of this video, you actually saw an ad run. And so the short answer is yes, you can monetize Pictory videos, but, so stay with me, there is a huge caveat here when you are creating these types of videos. As we know, YouTube recently changed the way they feel, or they changed the type of content that can get monetized. So this channel, BizMove, you can check it out for yourself. This channel has been around for maybe 3 or 4 years. If we take a look at their videos, we take a look at the oldest video, their oldest video has been around, oops, we selected most popular, but their oldest video has been around for 4 years, back when YouTube was a very different place. And so new channels are having a little bit more trouble monetizing AI content. Now, this is the best way, absolute #1 best way to ensure that your Pictory videos are monetized. One, you want to make sure that you have an original script. One of the downsides to a lot of these channels is they're telling you to just go copy and paste blog articles right into YouTube or right into Pictory, and that's going to have a very difficult time being monetized because YouTube and Google are owned by the same parent company. They understand when content isn't original, and most likely if you've borrowed someone else's content, someone else has also done it too, and so that content's usually on the internet or on YouTube at the very least. And so one big mistake is not having original content. The second mistake is just simply using the AI voiceover. What I recommend that you do, and there's a couple ways to do it, I'll show you how to do it in a second. What I recommend that you do is either read the script yourself, but if you don't want to read the script, maybe you have a voice for blogging. I would hire somebody to read the script for you, and you can charge as little as $5 or $10 depending on how long the script is. So if we come over to YouTube, or if we come over to Fiverr, you can use Fiverr to hire people to read these scripts for you. And so you could say YouTube voice actor, or you can just say voice actor like this, voice actor, and you're going to see that people are willing to do it for as little as $5. What I recommend that you do instead of just typing in voice actor, because there's 23,000 services available, come up here and make a custom request. So we can do post a request like this, and we're just going to type in something like, I'm looking for a voice actor. You want to say long-term voice actor. Long-term voice actor for my YouTube channel. And then explain to them that you are going to be looking for, maybe 50 voiceovers a month, or maybe 30 voiceovers a month, however much you can afford, and then select your budget. This is going to be the best way to find people on Fiverr for the cheapest price. Okay, if you just go up to Fiverr and you look for voiceovers, it's going to get really expensive. The reason why this works out so well is you can set your price. You can even say in here, I am looking for a female voice between the ages of 28 and 37, and then just tell them exactly what you're looking for. You are going to have a ton of people that are going to apply for this position. Have them submit samples for you. But that's step one. Step two is to make sure you have original scripts. Now, once again, you can come over to Fiverr and you can request a YouTube script writer. So we can type in YouTube script writer like this. And once again, you're going to be able to find someone for $5 or $10. Now, what I recommend that you do is make sure that this person can read and write English very well, because your target audience should be English speaking countries. They're going to pay the highest CPMs. But if you look at this, you can start anywhere between $5 and $10. I would actually, once again, create a custom request. In fact, if I come over here to manage requests like this, you're going to see that I have posted a bunch of these requests for these exact things. So once this loads, I'll show you, and you'll see why doing these custom requests are much better. Hello, I'm looking for a long-term YouTube scriptwriter for my YouTube channels. Budget $10. I had 26 people apply. If we come back and we look at YouTube scriptwriter like this, scriptwriter, you're going to see that there are 8,000 services available. And so you can usually find someone for relatively inexpensive. If you want to maximize the amount of money that you are spending, I'd recommend actually going off platform to get all together and use a website like onlinejobs.ph. And the cool thing with onlinejobs.ph, these guys are all English speakers. They want to work with you long term. They are willing to work very hard for you. As you can see, I've got YouTube thumbnail creator. Had 132 people apply for this job, over 1,000 hits of people that want to create thumbnails, and they're willing to create them for as little as $2 or $3. But when it comes to scriptwriter, you can have them write maybe a 15-word script for $10, $15 at the most. If you don't want to use this platform, you can also use a website like Hire Writers is a place that I've also used to get scripts. And the cool thing is, if we go to pricing, you can have a 1,500-word script written for about $8.25. Now, you want to make sure that you tell them that you want 1,500 words. If you don't tell them 1,500 words, they'll do exactly 1,000 words. Now, 1,500 words is important because 1,500 words is about 8 minutes. If you do anything less than that, it's going to be less than 8 minutes, and you won't be able to put ads in the middle of your content. So to circle back to the original question, can you monetize Pictory videos? The answer is yes. You can monetize it with YouTube Partner Program, but you can also monetize it with affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, if you don't know, is simply recommending other people's products and services. For example, with this channel BizMove here, they could recommend everything from web hosting to legal documents, filing an LLC, maybe business courses. There's all sorts of stuff that they could recommend and earn a commission. You simply would apply to join these different affiliate programs and then put your affiliate links in the description of these videos. Now with this channel, sometimes he gives away free documents, sometimes he doesn't. If we look at this, 5 top tips for training your dog successfully. He could recommend the dog training program over on ClickBank, brain training for dogs, and potentially make money. So once again, can you monetize Pictory videos? The answer is yes. There's a variety of ways to do it. You are able to join the YouTube Partner Program. I know from personal experience that you can monetize these types of channels and potentially make money. And you can make money with the YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing. You can actually create and sell your own digital products. For example, if we look at BizMove once again, they're talking about small business. What we could do is go over to, we could type in PLR, which stands for private label rights, hit enter, and we can take a look. Let's see. PLRproducts.com. Let's click on this one. Now with PLRproducts.com, you can buy these private label rights and then sell them yourself and keep more of the money. So what you would do is go through and find different private label rights products. For example, under business, let's do business skills. For example, we could buy an ebook, we could buy maybe a video guide or a course, buy Better Business Planning for $5.99, and then we could turn around and sell it right on our YouTube channel for $9.99, and then we can make money that way. But you can see here, there are tons of opportunities to potentially make money. You could also offer business coaching if you have that experience, but this works for literally any niche. And so just to recap real quick, what I would do is I would get my copy of Pictory, and then I would hire someone from HireWriter, onlinejobs.ph, or Fiverr to be my scriptwriter, and then I would find someone else on Fiverr or onlinejobs.ph to be my voice actor or actress, and then I would post these videos. The cool thing about this process is you can make multiple videos per day. One of the challenges of doing a talking head video like this is you're really limited to the number of videos that you could upload on a given day without getting burnt out and tired. And so what you can do is kind of outsource most of this process and potentially make money. So I say all of that to say, yes, I know for certain that you can monetize pictory.ai type content. Now that you know if you can monetize this type of content, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.